Okay, hello everyone. We would like to introduce you to a drill that we call the matrix. I'm sure you might have another way of calling it, but the idea here is we're going to teach depth perception and kinesthetic awareness with regards to handling Arnis sticks. Okay, this is very useful, especially if you want to play, like say, spar with somebody. This is actually one way to learn how to avoid getting hit. All right, so Guru Glenn of Filipino Warrior Arts is going to take you through the process.
Guys, measure it first. And measure. And then, sige. Yeah, that's good. So, the idea is, it's a slow drill actually. It's more on understanding your reach and then understanding. It's like training your depth perception. And then, finding the trajectory. Understanding the trajectory of the strike. And how are you going to counter it? Or how are you going to defend yourself from it? And then, being able to counter-attack at the same time. Okay, so this is what we're doing right now. Guys, protect yourself always. So what we're going to do now is that we're going to do the same drill, that same training drill, while they're in their fighting position. So that's gonna be 1 foot forward. Okay? So again, measure it up. And then, game. Everything is a target. Slow down, slow down. Understand the trajectory. Again. They're not allowed to shift their front foot.
They're not allowed to shift the front foot.
They can play they can move their rear foot around, not the front foot.
What's the logic for that, for the drill?
Again, it's for them. I mean, me, you know, until what point can I allow that strike to pass through?
Within the same position.
Within the same position. So I'm actually, for me, I'm a firm believer if you can do it slow, that means you can do it fast. So that's why it's a slow drill, understanding it, because it's easy to throw a strike. The hard part actually in this training, which is what's being trained, is understanding the trajectory, the path of that strike. So it's more on you're looking at the micro instead of the macro.
Right.
That's why you can always shoot this. This is part of, like, this is my distance. Until what position can I defend this distance? If we have that same reach. So that's the idea of the drill. Okay, bawal igalaw yung harap na paa. Bawal i-shift yan, yung likod, pwede nyo i-shift. Target. Do not fixate on one target, guys. No target fixation. We are also a firm believer that, you know, whatever your right hand can do or your left hand can do, it has to be done on the other side also. Defense, defense. Remember the defense. Okay, reach more, reach more, reach more.
Gumalaw ako.
One more set. It's more on understanding the trajectory of the strike, really, and then finding that way how you can be more efficient when you're delivering the strike in a very slow manner. And as I was telling them earlier, do not fixate on one target. Everything is a target. So that's what we call the matrix drill, or the, you know, it's a safe drill. You can try it out at home. Just make sure you have the space, and, you know, one word of advice: don't break anything, please. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.